Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening OneNote and signing in so your notes sync. Click the sticky notes icon in Home or press N to launch the pane. This is faster than creating a full page. Create a new note, give it a short title, then type the main content. Think short bullets or reminders. Once done, position the note on your desktop or dock it in the app. Make sure to enable sync right away so your note appears across devices. Next, you organize and format to make notes actionable. Use bold and bullets to highlight tasks, apply a color per priority, and add simple tags for follow-up. This improves scan speed. Pin high-priority notes to the desktop so they stay visible, or group related notes in one place inside the sticky notes pane. When something becomes a project, drag or copy that note into a OneNote section to preserve history and add context. This keeps your workspace tidy and searchable. Finish by syncing and archiving so you don't lose work. Confirm that OneNote sync is enabled and that recent edits show on your phone or web app. This is how you keep continuity. Move completed notes into an archive section or delete if no longer needed. If syncing or sync conflicts occur, first sign out and sign back in, check your network connection, and restart the app. This fixes most issues. If problems persist, clear cache or update the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.